Menopause and sleep, uncovering the hidden struggles. Are you aware that menopause can significantly impact a woman's sleep quality? It's a topic often overlooked, but the consequences can be far-reaching. Sleep specialist Dr. Carleara Weiss sheds light on the intricate relationship between menopause and sleep, revealing a critical need for improved education and tailored care. In her interview, Dr. Weiss, a renowned sleep scientist, delves into the multifaceted challenges menopausal and perimenopausal women face when it comes to sleep. She identifies two primary areas of concern: insomnia-like symptoms and a higher incidence of sleep disorders. Here's the intriguing part: Dr. Weiss links common sleep disturbances, such as difficulty falling asleep and frequent awakenings, to the hormonal changes of menopause. Declining estrogen and progesterone levels can trigger hot flashes and night sweats, disrupting women's sleep patterns. But it's not just about feeling too warm at night. These hormonal shifts can also interfere with the body's ability to regulate temperature, leading to fragmented sleep and increased distress. And there's more. The sleep specialist also highlights the impact of menopause on two specific sleep disorders: obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, and restless legs syndrome, RLS. Reduced estrogen and progesterone may cause structural changes in the upper airway, making OSA more likely. Moreover, menopausal women might experience muscle stiffness or arthritis-like symptoms, increasing their susceptibility to RLS-related limb movements. These physiological changes can be exacerbated by midlife stress and anxiety, creating a perfect storm for sleep problems. But here's where it gets controversial. Aeroflow Sleep's survey uncovered a surprising gender gap. Why are men more likely to seek information about sleep disorders on social media and pursue medical evaluation? This finding raises questions about societal expectations and gender roles in healthcare. Additionally, the survey showed that younger women engage more with sleep-related content online, but this interest seems to fade after 30. Dr. Weiss suggests this could indicate a lack of tailored resources for midlife women. The implications are concerning. Women over the 30th may be navigating significant sleep changes without adequate guidance. Relying on social media for health information can be risky, as it may not provide the full picture. Without professional assessment, sleep disorders might remain undiagnosed, potentially harming long-term health. Dr. Weiss advocates for a solution. Sleep experts, clinicians, and educators must collaborate to create accessible, evidence-based resources specifically for midlife women. By providing comprehensive information about hormonal changes, sleep disorder indicators, and when to seek specialist care, women can take control of their sleep health. This approach challenges the outdated belief that sleep issues during menopause are unavoidable and untreatable. In summary, understanding the complex interplay between menopause and sleep is essential. By addressing these gaps in education and care, we can empower women to manage their sleep health effectively during this transformative life stage. Are we ready to challenge societal norms and ensure women receive the support they need for quality sleep?